Yo, this is your boy T-Bone. I'm here in the Walmart parking lot and I spotted another food truck. Cam's Boiled Peanuts. Operated by my man Chris. Check him out.
Been out here, I've been selling for about 5 years now. I come out here every once in a while.
Okay.
I usually sit on Dorchester Road at Tractor Supply. I do a lot
Okay.
of farmers markets around here.
What kind of food you sell? You sell like this boiled peanuts, or you
Boiled
sell
peanuts.
and you sell like different varieties of boiled peanuts, like different flavors?
I've got a ham Cajun, regular salty, and a spicy dill.
How much is your spicy?
They're $6 a pound. Yeah, I do a lot of the farmers markets around here, the hand-to-hand Christmas festivals, Ridgeville Christmas Festival. I do the Ridgeville Farmers Market in the summertime every Sunday, starting in April.
Okay. I've tried some, and they're pretty good. They're pretty damn good. Peace.